हेलो एभ्रिवान, वेलकम ब्याक। म चाहिँ अहिले डोमेस्टिक एयरपोर्टमा छु। आज हाम्रो यात्रा भनेको चाहिँ उलुरुतिरको हो। सो हामी यहाँबाट लगभग 2-3 घन्टा फ्लाइटमा उलुरु जाँदैछौँ। ऊ चाहिँ मेरो साथी सुदीप। सुदीप, हाउ फिलिङ? रेडी टु गो?
एकदम एक्साइटेड।
The central part of Australia is also known as Red Centre, as whole area appears to be red in color. We took a flight from Sydney to Ayers Rock Airport, located near small town Uluru. Finally, हामी उलुरु एयरपोर्ट आइपुग्यौँ। एयरपोर्ट चाहिँ एकदम सानो रहेछ, तर जुन भ्यू माथि फ्लाइटबाट देखेको थियो त्यो चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो रहेछ। हामीले फर्स्ट भ्यू चाहिँ फ्लाइटबाट देख्यौँ। अब हामी त्यही ठाउँ जाँदैछौँ।
वेलकम टु उलुरु।
We booked our adventure package from Mulgas Adventures. Jazz, our travel guide, came to airport for pickup, and our tours begins from there. She's our guide for the entire trip. Her name is Jess, and she loves Nepalese food. Okay, Jess, can you tell me which Nepalese food you like?
I love the Nepalese food. I love pani puri. I love chili momos, jol momos. I love chow mein. What's the other one? And wai salad.
Okay. So, and what comes to your mind when someone tell about Nepal?
Nepal, trekking and food.
Good. So, would you like to visit Nepal?
Yes, I want to visit Nepal.
Yeah, and I have a gift for you.
What?
So, this is our Nepalese my wife. We loved in the trip.
You're the best. Can I visit you in Nepal? Ayers Rock, also known as Uluru, is one solid stone rock formed about 550 million years ago in Central Australia. The height of the rock is 384 meters, which is taller than Eiffel Tower in Paris. The rock is 6 km underground and its circumference of base is 9.4 km. The indigenous people of the Western Desert own this land and leased the land to Park Australia on October 26, 1985. There will be some signs that say no photos and no videos. Please respect culture and don't take photos and videos in those areas. It'll normally have an arrow. If you see someone else taking photos, let them know. They might not have seen the sign. So yeah, please respect culture and don't take photos and videos in certain areas. And you're not allowed to climb or walk on it at all. Hiking and exploring is my favorite part while traveling. Photography is banned only in some sacred areas, but climbing the rock is completely banned. The government of Australia has banned to climb the rock since October 26, 2019 because of cultural reasons. A Victorian man who climbed the rock recently had to face the court and fine of $2,500. Our first tour was Uluru Base Walk, where we hiked 9.4 km. Jess, who was our guide, is very kind and loyal. She supplies food time to time for our energy during hiking. She is always very keen to learn our culture and food. You like an apple? Do you speak other languages?
Yeah.
What do you speak?
Nepali.
Nepali? How do I say apple in Nepali?
Xiao.
It's a xiao.
Xiao?
Yeah.
Xiao. Do you guys like pani puri?
Oh.
Do you like wai salad?
Oh, actually we are fond of it.
Yeah.
How you know Nepali food?
My friends lived in Nepal for a little while, so we have a lot of Nepali food. Momos. At the base of the rock, we notice the caves and water sources originated from the top. Those are also considered to be sacred for indigenous people. After a while, the weather changes dramatically. It started raining along with the hailstorm. There was no any place for the shelter, so we got no option than getting wet. And it started raining here. Oh, it's too cold now. So पानी परेपछिको आयर्स रक हिँड्दा एक्कासी पानी पर्दियो अनि ट्रायलहरु सबै हिलो भयो. After the rain, the beauty of rock is more adorable.
More waterfalls can be seen on the rock, and the colors of the rock become more intense. And again, the weather becomes clear within some minutes. After some hours of hiking, we went for a lunch with a magnificent view of Ayers Rock. Jess offered us champagne. A glass of champagne with such breathtaking view is mind-blowing. I can't express how much pleasure my mind and heart was feeling. This is the place where we introduced with each other and share our past adventures stories. From the strangers, we became one family. We went back to our camp after the sunset. We had our dinner and we set swag around the fire. It was the first experience sleeping inside the swag under the stars. My friend managed to sleep as soon as he went under the swag. After a while, he started to snore. I had no option rather than watching moon and stars at midnight.